If you've got a cat, you know the struggle of dealing with litter that's scattered everywhere. Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum. Let's kick things off with the Black & Decker Dustbuster Advanced Clean Handheld Vacuum. Priced at just $49.99, this thing caught my eye with its portable, cordless design. If you want a lightweight solution for quick cleanups of cat litter, this is worth a serious look. The Dustbuster is designed for convenience. With its cyclonic action, it effectively spins dirt and debris away from the filter, ensuring strong suction every time you use it. The 16V Max lithium-ion battery gives you reliable power, which is especially crucial for those pesky litter bits that seem to get everywhere. Plus, the included crevice tool is perfect for getting into tight spaces, like behind the litter box or between couch cushions. It's super portable, so you can easily use it in your car too, which is nice if your furry friend likes to travel. Now, here's the thing. Some users mentioned that the battery life could be better, especially during heavy-duty cleaning sessions. But honestly, for quick cleanups and a price like this, it's not a deal breaker. If you're just looking for something to grab and go for those litter emergencies, it's perfect. This is ideal for cat owners who need a fast, on-the-spot solution. Skip this if you have a larger home and need something with more sustained power for extensive cleaning. Now, if the Dustbuster's battery life worried you, the next one on my list might actually be even better for extended use. Product number 2, Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. The Levoit Cordless Vacuum Cleaner is priced at $149.94. What grabbed my attention was its impressive 50-minute runtime and tangle-resistant design. If dealing with cat fur tangles has been a hassle, this one could be a game changer. The Levoit is built for all types of surfaces, making it versatile for cleaning not just cat litter, but also floors and upholstery. The 5-stage filtration system captures pet dander and hair effectively, which is super important for allergy sufferers. Plus, the easy empty dustbin means you won't have to deal with any mess when it's time to dump the contents out. It's lightweight and designed to make cleaning sessions quick and painless, especially in those high traffic areas. However, some users pointed out that it might not be powerful enough for deep cleaning carpets. Here's the truth. If you're primarily dealing with litter and quick cleanups, it's more than adequate. But if you have thick carpets and need something heavy-duty, you might want to consider other options. This is perfect for cat owners looking for a quick, effective clean without the hassle of tangles. Skip it if you have a lot of carpets that require deeper cleaning. The value-to-performance ratio is definitely there. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next product I found could be just what you need if you want something even more powerful. Product number 3, the Cordless Cordless Vacuum Cleaner. I was super impressed with its 40 kPa suction power and a runtime of 60 minutes. If you need something that can tackle both litter and other messes without constantly recharging, this might just fit the bill. This vacuum packs a punch with its powerful motor, delivering excellent suction that can grab litter, pet hair, and dirt from carpets and hard floors alike. The anti-tangle design means you won't be spending your time untangling hair from the brush, which can be a real time saver. Plus, the smart LED display lets you see the remaining battery life and suction mode, giving you full control over your cleaning sessions. The 1.5-liter dust cup is a great feature too, meaning you won't have to empty it constantly. However, some users mentioned that the vacuum can be a bit noisy. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to sound, it might be something to consider. But for me, the cleaning power and features far outweigh that drawback. This is perfect if you want a strong, versatile vacuum that can handle a variety of messes. Skip this if you prefer quieter vacuums or if you need something compact for tight spaces. It offers solid performance for the price. Now, if the Cordless's noise level isn't your thing, the next vacuum I'm about to share takes a different approach altogether. Product number 4, Black & Decker Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. Another Black & Decker product, the Dustbuster Handheld Vacuum. available for just $32.99. Right off the bat, I liked its price and portability, making it a great budget-friendly option. If you're looking for a quick cleanup tool that won't break the bank, this one's worth considering. With strong suction power and a bagless design, this vacuum makes it easy to clean up pet hair and litter in no time. It's lightweight and cordless, which means you can easily grab it for quick sessions around the house or even in your vehicle. The included crevice tool allows you to reach those tricky spots like under furniture or around the litter box, which is a huge plus. Some customers have mentioned that the filter could be better at trapping tiny particles, but honestly, for the price, it still does a great job for what it's intended for, especially for quick cleanups. This is great if you're on a budget and just need something simple for daily messes. Skip it if you need a heavy-duty vacuum for extensive cleaning jobs. For everyday litter cleanups, it's a solid value. Now, the final vacuum on my list is a bit pricier, but comes with some really impressive features. Product number 5, Bissell Pet Hair Eraser. We have the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser priced at $149.99. This one really impressed me with its powerful suction and HEPA filtration system. If you're serious about keeping your home free of allergens and pet hair, this vacuum is worth your attention. The Bissell features lift-off technology, allowing you to detach the canister and clean hard-to-reach areas effortlessly. It captures dust and allergens inside, ensuring they don't escape back into your home, which is crucial for anyone with allergies. The tangle-free brush roll means you won't deal with hair wrapping around the brush, making it perfect for pet owners. Plus, its large dirt tank makes disposal super easy. However, some users found it heavier than expected, which can be a downside if you're looking for something lightweight. But I think if you need a vacuum that can handle pet hair and has great filtration, the extra weight is a worthwhile trade-off. This is perfect for dedicated cat owners who want a thorough clean without allergens escaping. Skip it if you value lightweight vacuums or are looking for something more portable. It's a powerful investment if you're serious about cleaning. That wraps up my list of vacuums for cat litter. Each of these options has their strengths and caters to different needs. To quickly recap, we've got the Black & Decker Dust Buster Advanced Clean for quick grab-and-go moments, the Lavoit for a versatile deep clean, the Card for powerful suction at a budget-friendly price, the Black & Decker Dust Buster for those on a budget, and the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser for serious pet owners. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Bissell Pet Hair Eraser because it tackles allergens and pet hair effectively. I recommend avoiding the Black & Decker Dust Buster if you need something more powerful for heavy cleaning jobs.